Good afternoon, everyone. So today's topic is mathematics in our daily life. We just have to be discuss about this. Now, first of all, we should know something about the maths in our daily life. कि how we are using or apply maths in the daily life. We will discuss in our last today's topic. Okay. Then now mathematics. What is the maths? Mathematics is defined as a science which deals with the logic of shapes, quantity and arrangement. Am I right? Okay. तो नाउ ड्यूरिंग द एंशियंट टाइम वी न्यू इट द जितने भी एजिप्शियंस थे यूज मैथमेटिक्स एंड द कॉम्प्लेक्स मैथमेटिक इक्वेशन लाइक ज्योमेट्री एंड algebra. Third point is math is a part of our lives, whether we clean our house, okay, make super or move the loan, when we have to be uses out the mathematics there. Whenever you go, whatever you do, you are using the mathematics daily without even realizing it. Okay, it just comes naturally. So mathematics is a very important part of our life. Okay, now we are just talking math is an universal language, in that it is language to understand in all the countries. So all the countries में we can use this. The uses of maths in our daily life, how is it? We are using the mathematics in our cooking, sports, finding distance and length, navigation, बैंकिंग एंड शॉपिंग, है ना, एंड गार्डनिंग एंड द आर्किटेक्चर. ठीक है, तो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स इन विच वी आर यूजिंग द मैथमेटिक्स हियर. नाउ वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट द कुकिंग, हाउ टू यूज वी आर यू इन अ कुकिंग. कुकिंग में प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ऑफ द रेशियो एंड द प्रपोर्शन इफ वी हैव टू बी टेक इट आउट. If we don't have the correct ratio and proportion, then we cannot be get it out of good food. Okay, so making coffee, tea, milk, the quantity, है ना, we require the knowledge of the ratio and proportion, which is a part of the mathematics. Cooking food, breakfast, lunch, dinner needs clear knowledge of the proportion of the preparation to have good taste. ठीक है, more salt, है ना, चिली एक्सेट्रा. तो दीज आर द पॉइंट विच वी हैव टू बी कीप इन आवर माइंड कि खाने में नमक तेज़ ना हो जाए या बच्चों के लिए मिर्च तेज़ ना हो जाए, सो दैट प्रोपोर्शनल अगर ठीक रहेगा तभी बच्चे अच्छे से खाना खा पाएंगे. तो वाइल कुकिंग अ रेसिपी वी नीड टू हैव check on the amount of the ingredients and the correct measurement, unless our recipe will result a blunder. Otherwise हमारा जो भी result निकलेगा रेसिपी का, that would be the blunder. Okay, now in a sports, how the mathematics is useful for us. So practical knowledge of the probability and the mensuration and the statistics, these are the important points. Number one, the mathematical concept can be applied when one wants to comment about the game. Okay, second, when we toss in game, then we have to be use the probability. It is used as there is an equal chance to getting a head or tail both. Okay, now third point, references, जितने भी referees होते हैं and the coaches makes calls which are based on time. Okay, which is also a part of mathematics. We can compare failure and success rate by collecting the data of all past game played. This can only done using the some aspects of the mathematics. Okay, next point is what, to make the field of correct measurement we need good knowledge of the mensuration. This is also be the part of the mathematics. Now finding the distance and length, practical knowledge of the trigonometry. If we have to be find out the distance and length, then we have to use the trigonometry here. Maths concept are used to find out or calculate. First of all, जैसे height of a tower, if we have to be mountain and tides in oceans, then we have to be use mathematics here. Number second, distance of a shore from a point in a sea and the between the coastal bodies, then we have to be use mathematics here. Structural load, roof slopes, ground surfaces and many other aspects. Okay, including the sun, shade and so on, light angles, we just have to be use mathematics. So this is the basically use of the distance and length which we have to be know in the trigonometry. Okay, now we are just going to the navigation. Navigation में how to use this, practical knowledge of the navigation. If we have to be get it out, then we have to be use, we have to know the coordinate geometry. What is the coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is saying the concept is widely used while working with the graphic designing software, etc. Okay. Number second, whenever we often use it the navigation in a city or to locate the object in a grid. थर्ड वन when जियो कैचेज, जब आप क्या करते हैं when we use to be latitude or the longitude then we can have to be use out a mathematics here. then astronomers and the इसके अलावा एमेंचर जितने भी होते हैं use the sky coordinates to locate the objects of interest. Okay, so we just have to be used in a navigation of mathematics. Now in a banking and shopping, how to important of mathematics here, practical knowledge of percentage and interest if we have, then we can easily calculate the data. How? Number one, we visit the supermarket to buy some items, purchasing decisions है ना, require some understanding the budget and the cost, then we have to be use mathematics. Number second, transactions of the money if we have to be do, then we have to know how to use it. Next, stocks and bonds, if we have to be purchased stocks and bonds, then what would be the beneficial or our loss will be to us, then we have to know in a percentage and interest both. EMI, loan interest paid on loan, and what is the interest paid by the bank, etc. we just have to know in percentage and interest, which is also be the part of the mathematics. Okay, now we are just going to the gardening. Gardening means, this is very important. In a COVID time we knew the importance of the gardening है ना, we knew it कि right now it's very important to save plants है ना, to save trees like people, बरगद है ना, and neem. These are very important trees which we have, by which we can get it out the oxygen. Okay, so these are important plants. So gardening is a very important part in our life. So practical knowledge of the mensuration if we know, then we can easily guard our, or you can say the protect our trees. Even doing something as the mundane as gardening requires a basic mathematics skills. Okay, if we need to plant or sow new seeds or the seedling, you need to make a row or count them out or even make them holes. Okay, measuring the skills is always needing there, and calculations of the essence when doing something new in the garden. Okay, so in the garden we need to know the mensuration if we have to correct the things. Okay, so now I'm just moving to the next, the architecture. Architecture is a very important point in our life. Okay, practical knowledge, if we have to know the architecture, then we should to know the mensuration, geometry and symmetry. Okay, तो ज्योमेट्री, सिमेट्री और मेंसुरेशन की अगर बात करें, वी डोंट हैव नॉलेज ऑफ दीज पॉइंट्स, दैट्स मीनिंग वी कैन नॉट बी डू एनीथिंग इन आर्किटेक्ट. ओके, नंबर वन, अ वाटर टावर एंड मैनी अदर स्ट्रक्चर्स इंक्लूडिंग मैनी सॉलिड शेप्स है ना, whose volume can be calculated through the geometry. Symmetrical and the geometrical concept have been applied in the construction of the some famous monuments such as, जैसे क्या क्या हो गए आपके, ताजमहल हो गया है ना, आईफिल टावर हो गया, एक्सेट्रा. So many other monuments we can get it out here. Okay, other point, areas of the differently sized and the shaped lands can be found through the application of the area formulas there है ना, which is found in the mensuration and geometry है ना. The Pythagoras theorem, which is used to measure the size of painting a building or finding the shortest route to a particular location. So now we can say कि in an architect mathematics is very important. If we don't know the mathematics, means we cannot be do nothing in this areas, in these areas in which I am just talking about. Okay, so now I'm just moving towards the thank you. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a nice day and take care. Bye bye.